Hello guys, here is I have Moto G Power. This one problem is screen is crack. You can see on bottom side screen is crack. My touch is working, but I'm gonna show you how to replace the full screen. Let me turn up the phone and remove SIM card first. Remove SIM card already. Now I'm gonna remove this back cover. There is two kind screen on the market. One is with the frame and one is without frame. And I'm gonna show you with the frame one how to replace that. Almost remove this back cover. We don't want to lift it up all the way. We're gonna slowly lift it up because there is fingerprint ribbon. We don't want to rip it. We're gonna lift it up a little bit. Then you can see middle of that there is fingerprint button. Apply some heat and press it down. Is separate easily. So I separate the back cover. Now we're gonna remove this all screw top side. We're gonna remove this motherboard. These all are screw same. Remove all screw. Now I'm gonna remove this plastic panel, and now we're gonna remove this fingerprint and remove this battery connection, and there is screen connection. Now I'm gonna remove this screw and remove this antenna connection. Now I'm gonna separate the motherboard. Just pushing up, it's come out easily. We separate the motherboard, and now we're gonna remove this air speaker. I keep on side, and here is the power button and volume button flags. We're gonna apply some alcohol and slowly gonna remove this connection, and top side also we're gonna apply some alcohol and apply some alcohol, and then we're gonna lift it up slowly. Yeah, we're almost done to remove these flags, volume button and power button flags separated. Top side is done. We remove everything out from top side. Now we're gonna remove this bottom side. Remove all screw. This all screw are same. You're almost done to remove all the screw. Now you're gonna remove this speaker panel, and there is one screw, you have to remove it. And now you're gonna remove the charging port connection, and we're gonna remove the charging port, and there is antenna line on side. We're gonna keep separate that. Now you're gonna remove this vibration, apply some alcohol, and with this tweezer we're gonna loosen up the connection and separate this vibration. Now you're gonna remove this battery, This is a little bit hard to remove it. First we're gonna apply some heat on back of the screen. Then we're gonna use alcohol to remove it. First we're gonna apply some heat, see it's come out easily or not. First we're gonna use this knife. You cannot use the sharp knife. You have to use it like without sharp knife, so it's not gonna be damage the battery. First we're gonna use this knife and little bit push up, then you're gonna use the plastic, so plastic doesn't make damage the battery. Under that, this heavy glue on it is a little bit hard to remove it. We're gonna apply more heat on back side. You cannot rush that, slowly you have to lift it up. Yes, slowly lifting up. Now we're gonna use some alcohol, see how it goes. Is 99% alcohol. Yeah, now it's come out a little bit quicker. Yeah, it's almost removed it. Now you're gonna use the finger and lifting up. Yeah, now we're gonna make straight the battery, and with this plastic tools we're gonna slide it down. Just make it straight. Yeah, it doesn't damage the battery. You can see it's straight now. Here is the new screen, Moto G Power 2022. This comes with the frame. Now you're gonna put it back everything whatever we removed. First we're gonna install the speaker, air speaker. Then we're gonna put it back forward on volume plex, apply some glue, and wait 2 minutes. After 2 minutes we're gonna put it back, so its glue will be sticky. And just press it down with the finger. This side is not sticky. We're gonna press it down. Now we're gonna install this motherboard from top side. Then we're gonna just press it down and install this screw, so you hold the motherboard. And bottom side you're gonna put back charging port. Remove this plastic. Then we're gonna install this vibration, and then we're gonna install the charging port and connect the charging port connection and organize the antenna line. It's done here. Now you're gonna connect this screen connection. Remove this plastic. First you're gonna connect this screen connection. We don't want to press the ribbon right now. Just first we're gonna connect it. Then with this plastic tool we're gonna press it down, and will be straight the ribbon. Now I'm gonna put back this battery and connect this battery. Now you're gonna put back this fingerprint ribbon, and top of that we're gonna put back plastic panel and just press it down and put back all the screw. And this all screw are same. We are done with all the screw on top side, and now we're gonna do it on bottom side. We put it back this screw on other side. Yeah, it goes will be this hole, and put it back this plastic panel with the speaker, and put it back all the screw. You're done with all the screw. Now you're gonna put it back this back cover. First we're gonna do on top side, then on right side. Make sure fingerprint is on middle, and then we're gonna press it down on bottom side. Done. Now we're gonna turn on the phone. Make sure your phone is working properly. Touch the screen, everything. It's turning on. Yes, it's turning on. You can see everything, and touch also working. Yeah, touch also working. Now I'm gonna put it back the SIM card. Make sure network is, yeah, there is network, and plug it on charge. Yeah, phone is charging. You can see battery is goes black here, so it's charging. Yeah, that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.